see. We have arrived in Amarillo, Texas, once again. Oh, it's about 11:54. And this was the only room we could get with 2 queen-size beds because there is the Southwestern Music Festival going on right now. Yeah. We can't really park the RV anywhere, so we're parked behind a bunch of people. We'll see what happens in the morning. They told us it would be okay as long as people could get in and out. I don't know how true that is. But anyways, we are, what do you say, 2/3 of the way done with our trip?